everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Slack application on your mobile device quickly and easily. To log into your existing Slack account, first of all, open up the Slack application on your mobile device. Once done, click on the sign in button at the bottom. You can choose how you'd like to sign in with. You can tap on Continue with Google to log in with Google. Similarly, you can continue signing in with Apple or your email address. Choose the same method that you previously chose while creating your account. I'm going to choose email option. Now, if you've done the same, type down your email address associated with your existing Slack account. Once done, click on Next and then check your email inbox. Tap open the email inbox and then open up the email from Slack. Click on Confirm Email Address and then there you have successfully logged into your Slack account. You should now see your Slack channels and messages. You can customize notifications and settings as needed. So that's how you easily log into Slack in just a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.